Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on euro currency this time. So, as you understand, although it was really big action around the military tensions in Europe, the first two sessions of this week, but currently dust is gradually settling down and market is getting some relief. So some pause here. And it also shows a reflection on the technical side. Although personally, guys, I think that, well, it's just because of the geopolitical situation, I would prefer to trying to catch any bullish signals on some other dollar rivals rather than euro currency. Explanation is very simple. So, for instance, I would consider the taking a long position better on the Great British Pound if, for example, we are getting some progress with the double repo that we discussed recently. So, for example, as you can see here, market showing the consolidation around the same area that we have discussed. Then on the euro currency, despite that market actually has completed our minimum requirements of the downward continuation, so 618 level here has been touched, reversal bar has got some continuation, and recently we said that this market is coiling around the support, definitely it means the breakout. So because some kind of the challenging preparation for a breakout, and this has happened. But I have really big doubt that that will be just a failure breakout or short-term breakout. It's just because, guys, the potential military tensions stand in the Europe. Yes, this is Eastern Europe, but to the West Europe, it's also not really big distance. And in general, this is the same geopolitical place, so area. That's why, whether we would like it or not, but this still will make some pressure on the whole European Union and its currency. So until there will be some relief, some resolving of this situation or something of that sort. That's why, from that standpoint, the chances of the euro currency to show the upward direction on other equal conditions we treat as less than on any other dollar rival, for example, Great British Pound or even Australian dollar. Something of that sort. So that's why I suppose that on the euro currency, before taking any long position, it would be better to get really clear patterns that could really confirm the reversal, and this market also should hold in general overall bullish context. So from that standpoint, if you'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, what I personally do not like, I do not like that, not on the 4-hour time frame chart, on the hourly chart first. I do not like that market has dropped through the third drive. So actually we were waiting for a third drive, but market even has dropped lower and hits 1618 extension. We can't treat it as a 1618 free drive. That's also possible just because the second drive is not 1618, it is 127. So if we would get the 1 second at 1618 of the first and the third 1618 of the second, this is acceptable. But in the current condition, we can't say that this is 1618 free drive. It's just drop below the major consolidation area. Don't forget also, guys, that third drive, it was not just the drive of this pattern, but it also was major XOP, this ABCD pattern, right? And this XOP was standing here, and 1284 anyway closer to the major 618 support from 130 than the level that market stands right now. So it seems that this drop, well, I hope that this is just the hunt for secondary XOP, because we here have, as you can see, secondary patterns A, B, C top. We also have another minor XOP just below this, 1274. And you can see here in the market has been reached. Well, although we hope for that, but anyway, this is bad sign. This has happened breakout. Besides, the response that you can see on the market stands in general in the same way as it was previously. So we do not see any sharp reversal, we do not see something really valuable, mostly it remains just response to the support area, response on the target. It's minor pullback. That's why currently, guys, I think that we should stay aside from considering taking the long position until we will get clear bullish pattern. Yes, we have some divergences around it, but with the failure of the free drive, it potentially was bullish pattern. It would be better to not hurry up with the taking the long position on the euro currency, because we do not know what the next step will be in the tensions around the Eastern Europe. So that's just my view. We will keep going with this situation, watching for the patterns. Once we will get some clear bullish pattern, we definitely could consider taking the long position. But right now, I think that it is too early. It would be better to keep an eye on our Great British Pound stop and watching for possible signs of the reversal here. Maybe when the market will hit the XOP, which is also possible. As we said yesterday, it's more probable that XOP. At the same time, you can see even reaction on the OP after the sell-off. We said it might be the double repo buy, and here is actually we have the kind of the double repo buy, or double bottom pattern that shows the 30% pullback. So that will be a bit well, not as risky as on the euro currency right now. So that's actually all that we have currently on the euro on the forex. Let's see what will happen. And since we have really big events around the globe, and definitely volatility should be significant, and I think that it's not too long to wait for some trading stop on the euro as well. Maybe it will be bearish, but anyway, its situation currently changes very rapidly.